Good afternoon, student of class 8. Today I will teach you subtopic of microorganisms, that is nitrogen cycle in nature. Children, you know what is the percentage of nitrogen in air? The percentage of nitrogen in air is 78%. But that percentage of nitrogen in air remain constant. How it remain constant, that all we'll study in this chapter. Okay children, let's start our next lesson. That one is the food preservation. In the previous section we have studied about the food poisoning that is caused by the different microorganisms. So children, it is very essential to preserve the food, otherwise it causes a food poisoning also and other disease also. So children, there are different methods for the preservation of food. So children, first one is the chemical method. How we can preserve the food? By chemical method. Salt and edible oils are the common chemical generally used to check the growth of microorganisms. So we can use salt also, oils also to preserve the food, so that in there, because to prevent the attack of microbes. Sodium benzoate and sodium metabisulfates are common preservatives also. Okay children. So children, next one is the preservation by common salt. By using the common salt has been used to preserve meat and fish for ages. Meat and fish are covered with dry salt to check the growth of bacteria. So children, next one is the preservation by sugar. Jams, jellies, you everybody know that all. I think your mother is making such type of substances. It is free from the bacteria when we preserve from the sugar. Preservation by oil and vinegar also. Uses of oil and vinegar prevents spoilage of pickles, because bacteria cannot live in such an environment. Vegetables, fruits, fish and meat are often preserved by this method. So children, there are different or various methods for preservation of food. So children, next we have to study about the nitrogen fixation. In the nitrogen fixation, some bacteria like rhizobium or nitrifying bacteria, this one is the rhizobium or nitrifying bacteria, fix the atmospheric nitrogen. In the atmosphere, I already told you that there is a 78% of nitrogen is present, which one is the essential constituent of all living organism as part of proteins. So it is very essential to fix the nitrogen, and that one is the part of proteins, chlorophyll, nucleic acid and vitamins. That atmospheric nitrogen, children, that is fixed by this rhizobium bacteria which live in the root nodules. You can see here, this one is the root nodules. Inside their bacteria rhizobium is lives. Okay, in the leguminous plants only this type of root nodules you can get. So leguminous plant like pulses, all the pulses like beans, grams, okay, this all type of this leguminous plants, rhizobium bacteria is present, that fix the nitrogen, and that nitrogen is fixed either by the during the process of lightning also nitrogen is fixed. Another process is fixed by the bacteria. So in the here, nitrogen cannot be taken directly by plants and animals. Children, this one is certain bacteria, that one is blue green algae present in the soil, fix nitrogen from the atmosphere and convert it into compound of nitrogen. Once nitrogen is converted into this usable compound, it can be utilized by plants from the soil through their root system. Nitrogen is then used for the synthesis of plant proteins and other compounds. Animals feeding on plants get these proteins and other nitrogen compounds. When plant and animals die, bacteria and fungi present in the soil convert the nitrogenous wastage into nitrogenous compound to be used by plant again. So there are different process involved. You can see in the figure also, when this nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen, 78% nitrogen is present during the process of lightning or by the bacteria, blue-green algae, it convert and the turn fixed nitrogen into the convert and nitrogenous compound, and that compound is present in the soil. So that one is whatever is present, it is utilized by the nitrogenous substances, it is utilized by the plant and then consumed by the animals. That plant is again eat by the animals and animal eat plants. So children, nitrogenous waste from excretion and death. Okay, that one is when it die, again that excretion or death during that process, again it come back to the compound of nitrogen in the soil. So children, finally that this nitrogen again it goes back by the different type of bacteria, again not only the rhizobium, other bacteria also present there. That bacteria convert this nitrogen in the soil, and other again it convert nitrogen into gaseous nitrogen. Okay, then this convert goes back into the atmosphere as a free nitrogen. So children, this one is the complete nitrogen cycle. You have to read in the class 9 also, again same. So children, you have to remember this properly and go through this diagram and that paragraph also and answer this question. Explain 3 methods which is used to preserve or store food. Name 3 bacteria which convert atmospheric nitrogen into usable form. Draw and explain nitrogen cycle. So children, that nitrogen cycle you have to remember also, draw also, and learn this all. Okay, good luck children.